am back. I am getting ready to create two different turquoise centerpieces. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Go ahead on and push that subscribe button and that like button and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I appreciate you for supporting my channel. Thank you so much. Now, you ready to create? Let's create. The supplies you would need are okay, the first thing I'm going to do is glue my flowers to my foam ball. Okay, next I'm going to put my light inside of my glass vase. I'm going to take this vase I'm going to draw a circle onto my board. Okay. And I'm going to cut it out. Okay, I'm going to glue this circle to the bottom right here of this foam ball. Okay, but first I'm going to take my string of beads, which I cut and measured from this, and I'm going to glue it right around the bottom of this circle. Let's do it on this side. I'm gluing them about a half an inch apart. Okay, I used a total of 10 string of beads. Okay, we'll flip it over, put some glue right in the middle. Put my floral arrangement right on top. Let it dry. Okay, right there in the center. Okay, now I'm going to glue my floral arrangement on top of my vase. Okay, I'm gonna let that dry, set it aside. I'm getting ready to decorate both of my vases. Okay, I cut 2 flowers from here. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my gems and drop it right down each one of my vases. Drop my flower right inside of the gems. I'm going to bend this end. Okay. And I created 2 beautiful faces. Okay, I'm going to put my entire centerpiece together. Okay, here is centerpiece number 2. The supplies you would need for this centerpiece are okay, I'm going to put it together. Okay, here's centerpiece number 2. Now my reception table that I'm going to create at the end will be turquoise and gray. And you can use those colors at any wedding, anniversary, a birthday party, or a baby shower. Okay?
I can